Hello everyone. Today, in this article, we will share how to resolve an error that occurs when an import is entered in VS Code as shown below. Usually, when an import error is displayed as shown below. The problem can be resolved by installing the module using pipe install. But this may not resolve the error. The reason is that the Python path for the module is not set. Please see below. Two import errors are currently displayed. Try pipe install NumPy. The problem is not resolved even after the install. In this case, you need to change the command palette from the above view section. Then, select Python, select Interpreter. Here two Python paths are shown. The two Python are installed in advance. The other is via Microsoft. Now switch over. Yes, it is resolved. The reason is that the original Python path and module were set in the one that was not installed. Thank you all for your help. I will continue to share useful information for everyone. So please subscribe to our channel if you like. Stay tuned. Goodbye.